right, we about to black these out. Get a closer look at them for right now. I already did the body work on here. It's a hit on this side. Still a work in progress, but paint it tomorrow. Quick look at the top. Whoever painted it last time jacked it up. Trying to fix it. Oh, peep the VIP. Yep. Okay, back here. Okay, to take the light out of a Range Rover Sport 2007. Bang. Oops. Bang. Look down here to the bottom. Make sure the holes line up. Same thing on this side. It's kind of hard to lift up. Oh, there we go. Bang. Okay, since I don't have no help, I have to do this with my hands. Okay, got one out. Time for the other. I'm just not gonna film this one. I'm just going to take it out and I will be right back. This project's pretty simple. I am going to remove the lens cover and spray everything black inside. As you can see, it's like 3 tabs up here. 1, 2, 3. Same thing on the other side. We're going to remove those, and then we are going to heat the cover up, take everything out.